Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to attempt showing how to set up Flipgrid, a great tool for discussions, even to talk about papers. So first thing you have to do is go to settings, then go to apps, and then type in Flip. So you type in Flipgrid, and then of course you have to go to flipgrid.com before that. So you would have to go to flipgrid.com and set up your account by going into educator sign up. I've already done that, so I'm going to go straight to my login, and you can see several of my grids or my classes here. So I'm going to, because each class I have to set up the grid separately. So I'm setting it up for my 9899 right now. So I go here and I want to click on integrations because I want it to be integrated with Canvas. So once I click this, I get a consumer key, and that is what you will need. You have to copy it and then go back to this place, and so you can create flip. So go to assignments and so on. So visit the Canvas App Store. So add app, and here you're going to copy and paste the consumer key, and then you're going to copy the shared secret. All you have to do, just click on copy, come back here and paste, and then you add the app. Now Flipgrid is added to my 9899 course. Now if I want to create something for this course, all I want to do is, let's say I want to create a grid for students to go and introduce themselves. So I do an assignment and I say external tool, and then click on Flipgrid and add item. So now I have Flipgrid added onto my module. So all I have to do is click here, connect Flipgrid to Canvas. So now you're going to create a course grid. See, it automatically creates it for you. So now I have my 98 Fall 2020 created. So now I can create a topic. So now I want them to, let's say, do a discussion. So self-introductions. And then if you want to, you can give a prompt. In about 2 minutes or so, briefly introduce yourselves to your classmates. You can include details about where you are from, how long you have been here in the USA, your interests and hobbies, your career goals, etc. And I want to increase it to 2 minutes. I usually give them a little bit more. And now I have created the topic. All set. So now I have the topic, and all that the students have to do is click this button, record a response, and just record it, and it automatically gets saved here, and then other students can go and introduce and comment on each other. So that's about it. So that's how you do Flipgrid for Canvas.